Looking for the best nail gun? In this video, we'll break down the top nail guns available whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best nail guns on the market, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Wen 61720 3/4 inch to 2 inch nailer. This is an 18 gauge brad nailer from Wen that will deposit brads from 3/4 inch to 2 inches in size. As a result of its lightweight aluminum frame, it weighs a mere 3 pounds and feels even lighter thanks to its handle made of rubber. Not only is it comfortable on the hand, it's also super grippy. You can count on it to work for you on just about any job site. The power output during operation can be anywhere from 60 psi to 100 psi. The magazine can contain a maximum of 100 brads at a time, which is plenty to go around, and you will not be interrupted long with any jammed nails, since it has a swift release mechanism included as well. A custom-made carrying case is also included in the price, along with adjustment wrenches and oil. As ever with Wen, the warranty is also an ever-present blessing. With this nailer, it is valid for a year. At number 2, we have the Stanley TR250 SharpShooter Plus nail gun. You can use it as a cable or wire tacker, staple gun, or a brad nail gun. It will guarantee you better penetration over most other options on the market, thanks to a drive channel made exclusively out of metal. It has an aluminum housing designed for heavy-duty usage, durability, and maintaining a lightweight profile. You can also adjust it for working on hard and soft materials by using its high-low power lever. That is an important feature to look out for when selecting your nail gun. Sometimes, stapling jobs will require you to deposit staples in tight spaces, and this is not the most efficient function of a lot of nail guns. This one, however, solves the problem by employing a flush nose design. That said, the kind of staples you would want to use on it are T50 narrow crown heavy-duty staples, and for brads, the sizes can vary from 1/2 inch to 9/16 inch to 5/8 inch. Warranty is for life. At number 3, we have the NuMax SFR 2190 21 degree framing nailer. Whether the task at hand is framing, fencing, sheathing a roof or wall, or siding installing, none of those are going to flummox this framing nailer. Its lightweight and durable properties come courtesy of its die-cast magnesium construction, so it works and feels a lot more valuable than its actual price. Triggers on this nailer are interchangeable to allow for both single and contact fire. A no-mar tip ensures that this nailer gets your nails in without leaving any sort of additional damages on surfaces. You can fill it up with 21 degree nails between 2 and 3.5 inches. The exhaust is adjustable to 360 degrees. In short, the range features available with this nailer are so vast that you can customize it to suit whatever project you are doing. As a result, it is equally appealing to professional users and DIY enthusiasts alike. To get the absolute best out of it, match it with an air compressor with at least 2.5 CFM, 90 psi, and a minimum full capacity of 3 gallons. At number 4, we have the Hitachi NT65 MA4 15 gauge angled finish nailer. And now we have moved on from magnesium and aluminum housing for the Hitachi finish nailer. It is still lightweight, durable, and potent as ever. Users will find it extremely handy for installing crown and base moldings, chair rails, casings for windows and doors, cabinets, staircases, and exterior trimmings. This is a finish nailer that has a clear nose, so extraction is quick in the event of any nail jams. Either sequential or contact modes for nailing, and a dial for adjusting the depth of the drive. A carrying case is also given when you buy this nailer. It provides excellent storage and portability. We did say also a bit too soon. As it turns out, there are further additional features to consider here. For instance, a built-in air duster helps clear away any debris from work surfaces swiftly and efficiently. You get safety glasses as well to protect your 2 most valuable assets on the job. And finally, a no-mar tip to make nail driving as slick as possible without leaving any evidence in the ways of scratches or other imperfections on the surface. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the DeWalt DWFP 12231 Pneumatic Brad Nailer Kit. Another device that uses magnesium to account for its lightweight and durable construction. The DeWalt also features a durable motor that requires zero maintenance in order to be run, and it does not in any way stain the surface. And it has even more tool-free bits. For instance, there's the depth of drive adjustment, which includes detents so that nail heads are properly set. For removing nails, there's a jam release mechanism which is also tool-free. The exhaust at the rear keeps the pollutants out of your way and from the workspace. The type of nails you want to use on it are 18 gauge, which measure between 5/8 inch to 2 inches. It will drive these nails using a sequential trigger and a maximum capacity of 100 nails. The nose tip is removable and non-marring, and the grip is made from rubber to make it anti-slippery and comfortable on the hand. So that sums up our top nail guns of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.